Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add or change your payment method on Amazon step by step. So let's get started. First, open the Amazon app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look at the bottom of the screen and tap on the profile or me icon. Now scroll down and find the section called Your Account. Under this section, you will see an option named Your Payments. Tap on it to open your payment settings. Here you will see all the payment methods you have already added, such as credit cards, debit cards, or other options. If you want to change your payment method, you can either remove the existing one or simply add a new one. To add a new payment method, tap on Add a Payment Method. Now choose the option you prefer, like a credit card, debit card, or bank account. Enter all the required details carefully, such as your card number, expiry date, and billing address. Once you have entered everything, tap on Add or Link Card. Your new payment method will now be saved to your Amazon account. If you want to remove an old payment method, simply select it and tap on Remove. And that's it. This is how you can easily add or change your payment method on Amazon. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.